Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Math Part, and today we're going to start with questions linked to circle problems. We'll be talking about arc lengths, area of sectors, perimeters of sectors, and so on. So first thing first, let's discuss the formulas for sectors. So area of sector given as theta over 60 times pi r squared, then length of the sector is given as theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Then perimeter of the sector is 2r plus the length part. Yeah. So these are the formulas that we focus on. So in the first question, it says AB is an arc of a circle, center O, radius is 9 centimeters. The length of arc is 6 pi centimeters, and the area of the sector AOB is k pi centimeter square. You have to find the value of k. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to use the length of arc to identify our angle. So I'm going to do 6 pi equals to theta over 2 pi. The reason why I'm writing 2 pi is plus 360 in radians pi. And since like the length of arc is given in terms of pi, so let's convert the angle in radians as well. So pi theta over 2 pi times 2 pi r. Then 6 pi theta r, and r is given as 6 pi, can simplify to 2 by 3 pi. Now we try to find the value of k. For the value of k, I'm going to use the area. So k pi equals to 2 pi by 3 over 2 pi times pi r squared. So if we rearrange this fraction, k pi 2 pi over 3 times 1 over 2 pi times pi times 80. So the 2 pi's get cancelled out and we have 81 pi over 3. And 81 divided by 3 is 27. The pi's also get cancelled out, so k equals to 27. Then if we go to question number 2 shows us circle properties for angles, and ABCE is given as a cyclic quadrilateral. AED is and BCD are straight line. AC equals to CD. ABC is 45 and angle AC is 20. Work out angle. This is what we need. So what I'm going to begin with is finding this line. In a cyclic quadrilateral, your opposite angles equal to 180. So in this case, angle B plus angle E equal to 180. That means 45 plus angle E is 180. So angle E would be 180 minus 45. Going to give us 135. Now that we have angle A, we can easily find angle A because ACE is triangle. So 180 equals to angle A plus 135 plus 20. So 180 minus 135 minus 20. A. So basically we're subtracting 155 from 180, which gives us 25. This for angle. Now that we have angle A, we know that AC and CD are equal, which will also be 25. So since we have two angles for the isosceles, we can find angle C. So we can do 180 equals to angle C plus angle A plus angle B. So angle C is sum of 20, therefore this x plus 25 plus 25. 25 plus 25 is 50, 50 plus 70, so minus 70 equals to x. 110 is your x. That is your angle ECD. Then if we move on to the next one, question 3 says the diagram shows a sector of circle, center O, radius 25 centimeters, sector of angle is 38 degrees. Calculate the length of arc AB correct to 4 significant figures. So for the length of arc, the formula that we're using is theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Theta is 38. Theta is 38 and pi and r is 25. So what we can do is we can plug these values in the calculator to find the final answer. It's going to be 38 times 2 times 5 times 25 divided by 60, that is 16.58 centimeters is your length of the arc for this sector AB. Question 4 shows us a semicircle which has the radius of 6.1, so that means this would also be center. Calculate the perimeter. So a semicircle has the angle of 180. So that means your perimeter will be, in this case, pi r plus 2r. The reason why I'm using pi r is because the circumference has the formula of 2 pi r for a full circle. For half circle, it's going to be 2 pi r divided by 2, which is pi r. Hence pi r over. Pi times 6.1 plus 2 times 6.1. Plug this in the calculator. So pi times 6.1 plus 6.1. So that's 31.36. In question 5, we have another sector and they want us to find the perimeter again. So the approach is still similar. We're going to find the length of arc first. Which is going to be 26 over 360 times 2 pi times 50 So 26 times 5 times 30 divided by 60, that is 6.81 centimeters. And then for the perimeter, I'm going to add 6.81, the length of to the radius. And the reason why we're using 215 is because perimeter is the entire boundary of the sector. This is 15, this is 15, and this is. So that means the answer is 36.81 centimeters. Then for question 6, we have another sector, OAB, and the radius is given as 8. Sector angle is given as 30. BC is perpendicular to OA. Calculate the area of the shaded region. So what we're going to do is, first we're going to find the remaining lengths. So I'm going to use SOCA draw for this. And we have to find for the area of the triangle, we need the length, the height of the triangle, the perpendicular height, and we need the base. So for the perpendicular height, I'm going to use sine theta height over 8. That's going to be 8 times 30. Plug this in the calculator. So 8 sine 30 is 4 centimeters. That is height. Then for the base, I'm going to use cos. Cos 30 equals to 8 over 8 over 8. So we do 8 times cos 30. That is 6.9. So now for the area of the triangle, I'm going to do 1 over 2 times 4 times 6.9, which is 13.8 centimeters square. Now for the area of sector, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 30 over 360 times 5 times 8 squared. Since the radius is 8. So that is going to be 64 times 5 4 times 5 divided by 12. 16.8 centimeters square. So area of shaded region is going to be the difference of the area of sector and area of the triangle. Going to be 3 centimeters square. That is your area of the shaded region. Question 7 says the circumference of the circle is 30 centimeters. Calculate the radius. The circumference of circle has the formula of 2 pi r. So 30 equals to 2 pi r. 30 divided by 2 pi r. So 30 divided by 2 pi is 4.77 centimeters. Then it says the length of the arc of the semicircle is 15. This entire thing is calculate the area of the semicircle. So we just found the radius, which was 4.77. So area is of semicircle would be pi r square over 2. That's pi times 4.77 square over 2. So for this, wait, we have the 15. Okay, so angle in this case is 180. So I'm gonna do 15 equals to 180 times 2 by r. So that is going to be 15 equals to pi r. So 15 over pi. 15 over pi equals 4.7. Yeah. So area would be directly 4.7 whole square divided by 4. So that is going to be 35.74 centimeters square is your area of this. If you have any questions or confusion about any of these, let me know in the comments below and I'll help you out.